New tonight, House Bill 167 is sparking a new abortion debate.
A local lawmaker wants the state to ban that procedure if doctors can detect a heartbeat. Fox 35's Vicky Carr talked to him about the bill.
House Bill 167 already has lawmakers fired up.
I'm very pro-life, and so I plan to be co-sponsoring the bill today.
And I'm here to remind everyone that we don't want any ban.
Known as the Florida Heartbeat Act, Volusia County lawmaker Webster Barnaby filed the bill that would ban abortions once a heartbeat is detected.
And I just think it's wrong to allow abortions for people at that age. Once you have a heartbeat, I believe you should be protected under the law.
State Representative Anthony Sabatini says he stands behind the legislation, but State Rep Anna Scamani calls it disgusting and offensive.
It is a dangerous approach to reproductive rights. It is completely dismantling our bodily autonomy, and it's something that we have to stand united against.
Similar to Texas, the bill would allow private citizens to sue doctors who perform abortions once a heartbeat is detected. The 40-page document notes the following exceptions: rape, incest, domestic violence, human trafficking, or if the mom has a condition that could harm her. If passed, House Bill 167 would go into effect next summer. In Volusia County, Vicky Carr, Fox 35 News.